how to fix iPhone 8X XS 11 Pro low call volume caller can't hear sound problem. So let's get started. First thing first, open the settings app on your mobile device. Then scroll down and tap on the accessibility option available there. Inside accessibility, scroll down and look for the audio visual option and tap on it. Now inside it, all you have to do is, if you get to see noise cancellation option available there, then make sure to turn off it. And after you turn off the noise cancellation option, simply go back to the settings again and tap on the hearing devices. Now make sure that you turn on hearing aid compatibility option available there. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.